Hello, friends. I'm Jocelyn from Shanghai CXM-CHENGXIANG Measurement Company. Today, I would like to introduce a eye drop filling machine. You see, this is the bottle unscrambler. This hole is for glove. You see, with the glove to pick up. Let's open the door. The door is with two sensors. So this machine meets GMP requirement. When open the door, the machine stops. GMP requirement. Okay. This is unscrambler. So if you have different bottles, different diameter bottles, maybe 5 ml and 10 ml, 15 ml, we can change the style wheel and fit for both bottles. Okay. On the top, you can see the laminar flow. We call it the FFU bleeder. You see, inside the unscrambler and the filling machine with the laminar flow with GMP. Just to see the filling plug-in capping machine. This is the device for checking the window speed. And you can see the fan, the bleeder, the fan on the top. And this is the bottle feeding. After the unscrambler, we go to the bottle feeding and the ceramic palm filling, 4 filling head. And here is also for glove. 1, 2, 3, 4 filling nozzle and 2 the cap for the plug, 2 head for plug, and the 2 for the caps. You can see the different sensors. Low bottle, low filling, low caps, low capping. Okay. This is the back of the filling machine. You can see we designed the 6-liter buffer tank here. And all of the parts can be autoclaved. There's no problem with GMP requirement. This is for capping. For capping, we have the 4 cap feeder. This is a plug-in feeder and plug-in feeder go one by one. And this is the outer caps feeder here, and it goes to the vibrate. Okay. This is the eye drop filling, plug-in, and the capping machine. You see, our machine with high standard as a machine and meet GMP requirement. You see, this is the laminar flow, and with the sensor open the door, the machine stop, and no bottle, no filling. You see, our machine, the electrical parts, use the disturbance slider, and the main motor ABB. You see, we use the very famous brand of the electrical parts, so it will keep the machine with working running perfectly. So with a Siemens touch screen control. Okay, and this we will design a belt. The cap is a problem or low tip, low plug in the bottle, we will reject. Okay, this is the lifting machine. Sticker lifting machine. And here, this is also if low cap and reject here. Reject here, okay. Here is the rotary table, turntable before cutting machine. This is the box machine, we also call it the cutting machine. And this customer is from Nigeria. The leaflet is fold, and we will put it here. Of course, if your leaflet is unfold, we will put and design the fading will be bigger here. So unfold and fold can be used in the same machine. Okay, let's go. This is the cutting machine, and this feed the leaflet. Unfold and fold, both are okay. And here is put the empty box here. We'll keep here, and then go. And this machine is designed for the steel printing here. Okay, it's boxing one by one flow automatically. So this is a finished product. You see, this is the bottles full with eye drop, and you see, this is a leaflet inside of the box, and then this is the box. This machine can fit for 5 ml and 10 ml both. Okay.